Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be escaping the police in a three guys food truck. This is going to be absolutely hilarious. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. What we're going to do first is just going to create a map here. I'll try and not spell. That's what you guys should be doing. Anyways, yeah, let's get a gun. Right, we need to get this absolutely perfect. So, get like exactly straight on. There, that's good, that's good. Push that in a bit. There we go. Right, this should definitely work now. I'm not get inside though. There we go. Let's try this. There we go. So somebody just drove away with the truck. But anyways, as you can see, all we've done is it's just one ATM robbery. I'm gonna try and do a dual robbery. Thing is, this is absolutely rapid, this vehicle. Go. 0521. So there is a lot of you can already hear the police. So yeah, this is, I mean, there's always loads of police, isn't there? Bank robberies. So let's go. So you're just gonna take two like I usually do. I really hope someone doesn't just drive away the truck because it's unlocked. So yeah, that might happen. There's a civilian there. They see it's unlocked, they're just going to drive it away so I can not get robbed. Oh, damn it. Truck's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to get away. Long, yeah, I've left until the helicopter. You're being chased by police? I don't see any police. Oh, we do now. Just saying we weren't getting chased, but we actually are now. Oh my god, we're being pitted. I did not realise you could get pitted when you're in a civilian car. Oh my god. Bro, what the hell? Since when could you get pitted? I tried this with a tractor and you couldn't get pitted, but I guess with the three guys, and helicopters are too OP, man. Like, generally, like, I don't know, they're just so overpowered, aren't they? Oh my god, look at this avatar. There we go. It's have to be 2905. Let's make this quick, this robbery. Okay, I can already hear the first police officer coming up. Not the best. Right, come on, we need it. Just go. Take this. Take that and get out of there. Any police officers? I think we might actually be fine here. So let's go, let's go. Let's see how much money we've made now. So we've made 9k. Not bad, you know. It's not bad, is it? Right, let's try do another jewelry robbery. Like, I know I've failed so many jewelry robberies in the past in this series because I'm actually so. I used to be amazing. I used to be really good at them. I mean, not amazing actually. I used to be really good. Now, I'm generally terrible. Like, actually so bad at them. I basically fail almost every single one, and even on the level I do that. It's crazy. Finally, we've actually completed a jewelry robbery. It was amazing to complete a jewelry robbery. Anyway, okay, we're not. To be fair, I would have thought we'd be running out of fuel, but we're doing quite well. To be fair, it's quite surprising. If we do run out of fuel, that'd be because I actually cannot refill because I don't own this vehicle. So yeah, that would not be good. Anyways, what robbery shall we do now? Well, let's go to the tool store and get some more robbery stuff. I think we're gonna do a ATM, then jewelry store, then do one last bank robbery. That is probably how it's gonna go. So yeah, I mean, hopefully I don't get caught in the meantime, because that would be absolutely terrible. I hate getting arrested, it's so annoying. But you know, it's part of the game, innit? Soon also. There's actually a fire station, so it's a fire station. 21B. There it is. Oh, finally. Okay. To this B, there it is. Right, come on. Just got this. Let's go. To be fair, it feels actually so good actually completing robberies because I am actually so bad at robberies. It's crazy how bad I am. Anyways, let's see. So we got 12k. We're actually doing well. Yeah. Anyways, let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's do the door robbery. Oh yeah, let's get out of there. Okay, I can already hear a police officer, so it's not great, is it? We're gonna do our final robbery now, so yeah, we're gonna do our final robbery, which will be a bank. And what we do with a bank robbery is, for it's like the last one, we will, have to get to our getaway place or a hideout, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so we've got 0920. Okay, let's make this a really quick bank robbery. So we can already hear the first police officer coming. We go. I can hear a second police officer, I think that is. Might be a bank work, but hopefully not. That would be terrible. So let's get out of there. deploying me to. Anyways, let's get to the watchtower, because that is our getaway place. So as soon as we get to there, then that means we've completed this video. I mean, we have been arrested so many times. It's not as much times as like other videos, but it's still been quite a lot of times being arrested in this video. So yeah, we're almost there, to be fair. As soon as we get to the top of this, then... Right, there we go. Completed the video. Get in. Yes, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.